To make the vector graphics from Flash is relatively easy as compared to Illustrator. There are two main things that you need to take care of: the object drawing or the shape drawing. Now I'm going to make different circles within each other, and then we can use another shape to cut it in half. So using the oval tool, this is the place where you turn on or off the object drawing. So I will make them both, and you can see the difference. While making a circle, it's better to press the shift key to make it an exact circle. And now I'm going to make the object drawing for the same thing. Now this is the difference in the object drawing. When you select it, is treated as a single object, and this is the shape drawing where it is treated as in a simple shape. But creating new shapes from the shape is very easy, and you can see. Let's zoom in. Now this is the object drawing. See the mouse cursor? From the both, we can easily see that we have made a new shape. Now, for example, if I need to cut this in a kind of, I'm going to make a rectangle. Let's make it a different color. You can use the transform tool. I'm going to put this in the middle. Now this was the object, and you can see I can simply move it anywhere and nothing will happen. You can also change the object into a shape. Right click on it and use the break apart. Now I'm going to move it over here, and to create a new shape from the circle that was the circle, just move them over each other and move them apart. Now you have the new shape. Let's do it again for the object drawing. Now as you can see, because this was the object, so we cannot do that with the object. If I break it apart, then I can do this. This is the stroke. The stroke will be treated separately. You can also use the nodes. Just use the subselection tool, and you can also use the nodes to create the different shape. Now let's make the circles and then cut them in half. I'm going to use the object drawing first so that I can arrange them easily. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that I know what is the scale. Like I'm going to use 2 boxes radius. And then you can simply copy paste it and increase the radius. Change the color so that you can easily identify them. Send it to back. Paste. Make sure to keep pressing the shift key. Now, as you know that we cannot cut it in half if this is a object drawing. So, and to cut it in half, it's better to arrange it on a grid so you know how much you want. We want to cut it at this line. So I'm going to change it into an object drawing by using the break apart. And now just use a rectangle tool. Now when we move it away, sorry, that was the object drawing. Turn it off. You can also select it half and delete it, or you can select it half and distribute it to another layer. You can cut it and go to the another layer and paste it over here. So this way we have two different shapes. You can color it differently. Even just simply drop the line and color it like this. And then afterwards, you can simply delete the line. Let's first change the color for this one. And now we have half and half circles with two different colors. You can save the file or export the file as the AI file also if you need to add something else that is not available here. Just like for example, we have path to text to path, where you type the text on a path. We cannot do it here in Flash, so you can export it as an AI and take it over there and then just type your text and then save it as a PNG and the a vector file.